Welcome back. Now in this video we will create a new directory right in the lib, and we will give the name as upload add screen. Right in there we will create a new dot file, right click, and we're gonna give the name as upload add screen. We will have a stateful widget, so write st in here, give the name upload add screen. Now we don't need this key, simply dial this from here and click upon the stateful widget, import the library material.dart. So in here we will just apply the bar in which there will be title. So what I'll do, from here we will copy that scaffold, close that, go back towards the search product.dart, not this one, upload add screen.dart in here. Instead of that, paste the scaffold. There we go. Okay, all just fine. Now we will just change this towards the upload add screen. That is fine. So that we can now we will go towards the home screen in here and right in the scaffold. Okay, as you guys can see that scaffold, right in there we will have a floating action button. Okay, as you guys can see, now floating action button. Now in there we will provide the tooltip, so the tooltip gonna be simply add post. We will show that text, and also in here let's provide a child, and we will set the icon for that. So icons, we will go with the cloud upload. You can choose that first one, and from here also we will just provide the on press event, that click event. So whenever the user will click on this specific icon, it will just get the user right towards the upload add screen. So in here, push replacement, I'm going to take the contacts, provide the material page root. In here, contacts, as you guys can see from here, take this down, and now we will just send the user towards the upload add screen. There we go with the segregation, right at and semicolon. As you guys can see in here, add the const modifier. Now I have already how to load the app, so there is no need of doing it again. I'll just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the output. Ctrl S, and there we go. Okay, as you guys can see the upload icon in here. Now also I'll just provide the background color, so we will make this more changeable. So in here we will go with the colors, black 54 would be good. Now press the Ctrl S, and there we go. Okay, it's look more beautiful than before, and all just good. And here we just move it to just move this, and all just fine. And right in here add the const modifier, it will work just fine. Okay guys, Control S. Okay, all just fine. And now come here and click upon this icon, it will just send you right towards the upload add screen. There we go. Okay, upload add screen, so working totally fine. And refresh the page so that we can go back towards the home screen. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya right in the next video. We will close that file before ending the video, and we are here right on the home screen dot. So see you in the next one.